Hello! In this lesson we will learn how to create the Request to Fill list. You will first need to open the Request Manager. This can be done in one of two ways, either by clicking on the icon on the shortcut bar, or by clicking on Circulation and then selecting Request Manager. This will bring up the Request Manager work form. Check to make sure that your branch is showing in the branch name drop-down. Similarly, the By drop-down should say Item, and the Status drop-down should say Pending. The Request to Fill list is displayed in the lower half of the work form. You can print the Request to Fill list either by clicking on the drop-down next to the print icon, and then selecting Print Hold to Fill, or by clicking on File, selecting Print, and then Print Hold to Fill. This will generate the Hold Request to Fill report as a PDF document, which can then be printed and used to pull the requested books off the shelf. When the books have been pulled from the shelves, they will have to be transferred to the requesting library. To do this, open the Check-in work form either by clicking on the Check-in icon on the shortcut bar, or by clicking on Circulation and selecting Check-in. This will open the Check-in work form. Enter the item's barcode either by scanning it in or by typing it in and pressing Enter. A pop-up message will then appear stating that the item fills a request and asking if you want to transfer the item to the pickup library. Click Yes. The status has now changed from in to transferred, and the item is ready to be shipped to the pickup library.